By not exporting the J-20, China is trying to bring this aircraft to a technological level equivalent to the US F-22 Raptors, possibly for the purpose of hiding public opinion and arouse China's national pride. According to Chinese mainstream media, there seem to be two main reasons behind Beijing's reluctance to sell the J-20 in the international market. First, China is concerned that its fifth-generation fighter jet technology will fall into enemy hands and be copied. Second, Beijing wants to avoid an arms race in fifth-generation technology between its allies and the United States. Besides that, there seem to be other, more realistic reasons that Beijing doesn't want to highlight publicly. Currently, public opinion is suspicious that China's stealth fighter mainly relies on Russian reverse engineering and stolen American technology. The development of the J-20 stealth fighter jet has been controversial because of allegations that Chinese hackers stole data and key design components from the US F-22 Raptors program. Why are Chinese fighter jets so difficult to export? The fact of the matter is that the world is not convinced by the quality of Chinese fighters. As a result, only countries that are sanctioned and have limited resources will buy fighter jets from China. Although China claims to have made significant advances in aviation technology, it has yet to convince the world's air forces to spend money to buy Chinese aircraft. Therefore, China's declaration that it does not want to export the J-20 because for fear of other countries copying its technology is just a fake act aimed at domestic public opinion. By refusing to export the J-20, China is trying to bring the J-20 at the same level of technology as the F-22 Raptors. Most analysts agree that the J-20 cannot match the performance of the F-22 and F-35. In fact, in 2015, China bought 24 multirole fighter Su-35 from Russia. Why should a country that claims its fighters are on par with the F-22 and F-35 have to buy a Russian fighter a generation younger? So it can be asserted that the reason why China does not supply the J-20 for export is because, in fact, no one buys it. Meanwhile, although there are two completed prototypes, FC-31 still has no potential customers, far from the Russian Su-75 Checkmate model that just appeared at MUX 2021. China may have made some significant improvements in its fighter jet technology, but in reality it is still behind the US, Russia and Europe. Perhaps more seriously for China, their products are too weak in terms of brands. Like how car buyers compare German cars, Japanese cars versus Chinese cars. Therefore, countries, even if they can afford it, will not buy Chinese fighters. Therefore, Song's statement aimed at domestic public opinion is intended to stoke nationalistic pride in China's technological prowess and show the country on par with its main rival, the United States. The truth for China is that both the J-20 and FC-31 still use Russian engines and cannot be exported without Russia's consent, at least in theory. The fact that Chinese weapons are largely based on Russian technology raises an obvious question on the minds of many foreign militaries: why buy weapons from China and not directly from Russia? Thank you everyone for watching this video.